Well, well, well. Good morning from not so sunny Da Nang. It is today when I film this, and you will see this, so it is dark a little bit. There are some blue spots, but look at this place. So this place, if you remember, okay, we are opposite of the Golden Lotus Luxury, and this is what is the name again? Cecilia Hotel? Behind the M Hotel, and this is a brand new Good Market, a convenience store, where the old Pattaya go-go bar was. I don't know, they just changed this go-go bar to a convenience store inside maybe 3 weeks. Very interesting. They built this so quick, and what they also built quick is this seafood and steak and lobster place. Let's say it that, because there's steak and we got lobster, some crab legs, and we got tom. Tom means shrimps in Vietnamese, or tom. Hai san means seafood. So they have these huge plates, okay? And what they also built was also brand, it's crazy. I did not walk here for 3 weeks, and they changed the whole landscape. Look at this, another souvenir mart, as if we not have this other one already. Come on, can you please build something useful? I don't know. Okay, so what happened here? We're gonna go walk all the way on Do Ba to the food street today. Marcus and I are gonna have some Vietnamese breakfast. And if you see here, this is the beautiful heart at the beach, My An Beach, okay? So this mart is a new souvenir mart. We don't need that. Maybe something useful like a kebab or a doner kebab from Germany, that would be nice, or a good taco place. But you know what? There is a new taco place on this street, and we will check it out now. I hope they're open already. Maybe we could even check this one out. But
that's a little lottery.
Nice.
Gamble if they're open or not.
Okay, so those are the electric taxis. You can just stop them and let them drive you around. Cecilia Hotel. I did 2 reviews on that already. And this is the Do Ba Street. And the Do Ba Street goes all the way to the nice food area here on the beach. The Chao Ti Vin Te Street. I will make a video about that as well. But this Cecilia Hotel also has wheelchair access, and it looks like this. Not many have it, but they should do it everywhere. And this is also, this is an old hotel. I think they just made it together. This is also Cecilia. In this whole area, I did not check out. I have to actually check out those hotels too. So don't forget to subscribe to Social Sammy as well for all hotel reviews in Da Nang. But this street has pretty much everything. A stylish coffee shop.
Instagrammable.
Yeah, definitely. And now with the good weather, it's gonna be even better. And Marcus, his gym is also here. We're gonna check that one out too. Ooh, you see that? It was like prepared salad. Yeah.
All I know is the beef noodles is new.
Oh yeah, that's true. Chinese beef noodles, I think. Massage VIP. It's usually, every time there's a VIP, I don't know if they get massages in there. California Premium Multi-Shop. Super fancy. But it's just like a clothing store. But, oh, they have fake remover. Look at this. I'm in the market for a new hand luggage. And this is a fake remover place. Look at this, I see it from far. But if you don't see the metal flap go to the left and right, or like, there has to flap for it to be real. Obviously, probably not real. And here, we have Marcus's gym. Yeah, Pig Gym. This is a sketchy hotel. And a brand new Plum's Bakery. Oh, they have banh mi here. Ooh. And the gym, Pig Gym. So this is the gym of Marcus. It's open air. Do they have AC?
Yes, they have, but they don't use it.
Got it. All right. Gujarat, an Indian restaurant. And somewhere here, oh yeah, it's a sports bar over here with AC. They also have pool, and they are open late. but I've never been in there yet. But because I'll go to Aussie Bistro for my sports, especially for the UFC. Korea Special Barbecue. I'm not sure what this is. Huh. Dana Pharmacy. Da Nang Noodle Cafe. So you can get coffee and some noodles, or
Beers.
look at this, 24 hours open. Do you think that's correct?
Yes, it's correct.
All right, that's good.
And-
So if you are hungry do you want to have some coffee and noodles at 3 a.m.?
Yeah.
Okay.
What I noticed so far at this area, there's have a lot of 24-hour stop. It's the full. This place, the 24 hours massage and spa in the corner.
Yes, and the foreplay. Yes, exactly.
There's
That's
a
true.
lot of 24 hours open.
So when you come in late to Da Nang, to the beach area, you will find something to eat. Just got a question about that. And you will find something to eat. And if you don't want to leave outside, even though it's safe outside at night, you can also just use the Grab app and do the delivery to your hotel. So no worry, don't worry, you will not starve in Da Nang. You will not starve in Vietnam, because Vietnam always has something to offer 24/7. The breakfast starts at 5, and the Ban Bao guys are driving around with lots of food. Here's also the full market. It's basically the 7-Eleven of Da Nang, because we don't have 7-Eleven here in the city. We also don't have CU or any other big brands, no Family Mart. But we have the full market, and we have a lot of independent Korean style convenience stores. And look at this. We have the Fly Burgers over here, and this looks like an apartment building. What do you think? Is it an apartment building? I don't know. But it looks new. Some stores over here. This is also very good. Always try out Vietnamese food, especially sticky rice. If you see this, XO with something French on top and an I, that's sticky rice. Very delicious, very delicious. Some cables over here.
Organic detox.
Ooh, there's a healthcare center. I did not see that yet. Organic detox. Let's check it out. Huh. Midu Spa. Oh, Kenny, my friend who loves massages, he told me about that one. Midu Spa one time. What is this? Hello.
You can come over, you can ask her.
What's going on in there?
They do the motor, you know, the remove the that's your stomach, you know.
Oh, so detox inside the stomach? Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Okay.
So it's the hotel?
No, it's like they do something with the stomach. Maybe just go in and ask one time. It felt a little bit weird now. But he was like, I'll come in, but I'm like, I don't know. And here's the Gyusachi, guys. Another big important place here. So lots of you asked me about buffets. On my main channel I did some buffets, but they are not the best. I think this is the best. So the big brand hotels, they have great buffets, but they are usually 800K or something without any discounts. So the cheapest place and the best place for the price, the best value price, is Gyusachi, in my opinion. You also have very interesting. Jesus. Merry Christmas. Okay. I think Christmas is over. All right. Buffet Nuong. So I always take this one, the most expensive one. And it's very good. And they have this specific beef. We should eat here next time. There's this premium beef. I'm not sure where it is. But yeah, great place. Can't go wrong with that. But buffets are always a thing, right? So if you eat too much, you don't want to have it for some weeks. That's how I felt the last weeks. But now actually I'm craving it again. And the good thing is, friends like Marcus who love to eat meat, you always have someone who will come with you. We tried out actually the lunch buffet as well, but it wasn't the best, I would say. But still great value for $8. $8 lunch buffet with meat, with beef and grilling and everything. It's still a great value, but compared to 369, that means like maybe 12, or how much is 369?
369. Let me check.
So they have a Viertel store now here? That's brand new. Wow. You see, this is the thing, right? Something changes here always. So I'm gonna also show you where we'll walk. It's Dough Bar, okay? Dough Bar, we will walk from Dough Bar to the food section, okay? $369 is $14.76 for Gyozachi buffet. But so $8 is the lunch buffet, what is good, but it's like not the best. But then for $14.57, you get like very nice. Very nice. And this Viertel store, I'm not sure if it's a legit one. They say SIM cards. They have a lot of red things over there. It's not open yet. There might be, sometimes you have to be very careful because they have Viertel signs over there, but it is not a real Viertel store. They just give you Viertel, but sometimes they even give you different SIM cards. So always go in and ask for Viertel and then see if it's like a proper place. If they have Viertel clothing as well. Because as far as I know, there's only one, but we will see. As soon as this opens, I will also cover it. Then here we have a $1 lunch spot for chicken and rice and pork and rice. Very good as well. And then here, I never tried it, but it should be good. It should be good. Berry ice cream. I tried this one with Kenny on my video. 30,000 dong, so $1.20 for ice cream. One scoop. Lots of other mini marts here. And apartment buildings actually. You get lots of apartment buildings here. But be careful, they're building here. They're already pretty much half into it probably. But yeah, they're building. And you will never know where they're built. Even though sometimes you see a building, you think everything is fine. There's a building next to it, there's a building opposite. Everywhere are buildings around. But they then just decide to remove the building and build a new building on the spot. And then you're gonna have some noise issues for some time. But they will not drill or do anything in the night. But they will start at 8 a.m. at least. They will start at, I know that because I heard that. 8 a.m. you will wake up with drilling or very loud noise, and you cannot do anything about it. So always come to Da Nang first, check out the neighborhood, see what's going on, and then book something. What? Look at this! How cool is that? I like the gold.
Probably a Sonder premium edition.
But it looks like a electric bike. That's so interesting. That's so cool. No, it is not an electric bike. But yeah. Do you think it's real?
I think yes.
Oh, okay.
But it looks very nice.
Yeah.
It stands out.
Yeah.
It stands out like this gaming cafe and internet, if you are a gamer.
Unicom Cyber Gaming Internet Cafe. Interesting. And they have also a cafe, a salt coffee place over there. I haven't tried that one out yet. It's open air, so pretty good. So here now we are at the intersection of the Doba Street where we walk right now, and the Mai Tik Lang, I think. We will check out the street name. Mai Tuk Lan. I'm sorry, Mai Tuk Lan. All right, we're gonna cross the street and then we zoom right into the action at the Chao Ti Vin Te Street right now. Okay guys, we zoomed right into the Chao Ti Vin Te intersection here, okay? So this is a huge foodie street as well, Chao Ti Vin Te. Actually I have a video, I will link it down below. I did a whole walk, but I will also make another one because this changes, all the restaurants changing here every 3 months. So everything is something new. Here you can see a barber shop. Sadly, barbershops are not open yet, so I really want to have a barber appointment, but every barbershop is still closed. My barber comes back on 8, so we will see. Lots of people are still out of town, and Grab is very difficult to get. Grab food, ordering Grab is very, very difficult because there are no Grab drivers on motorbikes almost. It's very difficult, very difficult. Can't wait until everything is normal again. Everything working again. This here is very interesting, guys. I tried this one out 2 times now. Definitely a recommendation. Definitely. It is not on Google yet. It's open since 1 week, but maybe I can. Where can I send you? It's opposite of Garden House Coffee. DC 125 Doba, opposite of that. Okay, so this place is not on Google, okay, but it is great. Marcus and I tried it out. There are $1 noodle soups, $1.50 noodle soups, great. They have hutu, they have bankan, very delicious, looks clean in there, nice presentation.
Fast.
And fast, yes. They have 2 types of noodles, and that's why they're pretty fast. Very nice, very efficient. We like that a lot. That's definitely a recommendation. And sadly, our spot is still closed. The Ban Kun place. Oh, I missed it so much, but I still cannot eat it. All right. Okay, guys. We just talked, and we will go back to the noodle shop right over there. I will also show you how the hutu looks like, and yeah, it's very nice. Even if you don't like seafood, this is a great place. Hutu muk, An Thuong. Those are the dry hutu noodles with the soup on the side. Marcus has the same, and I have a chatak. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next vlog.